In this video, I will show you how to create custom views for tickets in Zoho Desk. First, log into your Zoho account. Now go to the top of your screen and click on Tickets. Here you will see a list of all your tickets. Just below the top bar, click on the drop down that says All Tickets. This will open a list of existing views you can use. Scroll down to the very bottom of the drop-down menu and click on Add Custom View. This is where you can create your own ticket filter based on specific conditions. On the new board that appears, type in your view name, then set your filter criteria. For example, you can filter by ticket status, priority, or assigned agent. After that, choose who can see this view, such as only you or all agents on your team. Once you've set everything up, click on Create. After saving, go back to your tickets board. You will now see your custom view added to the drop-down list, ready for quick access anytime you need it. And that's how to create custom views for tickets in Zoho Desk.